Hey guys, welcome back. So we just made a quiz using TK Inter, right? So see, this was the quiz. Okay, sorry for this. See, this was the quiz. We made it. If you haven't seen the video yet, then see it first so that you will be able to follow me throughout this time. Okay, so right now what we're gonna do is we need to insert one picture that we can have in our quiz, right? Okay, so we have a built-in module PIL. We have an inbuilt module called PIL. So let's write from PIL import image, sorry for this, image comma image tk. Okay, we need to import this. Okay, then let's go below. Let's write entering image. Okay, so you have to write img equaling. Okay, so first of all let's go and okay, I need to connect to my net. Okay, so let's go first of all to and get one good photo of saying something like quiz or somewhat like that. Okay, so let's okay, this is actually recording, so this is gonna be late. Let's go to Google. Okay, see, here you have Google, and let's write here quiz images HD. Okay, let's go there, see if there is somewhat like that. Okay, let's go to images. Let's see if we could have, let's go to tools, then you have to go to type. Okay, it's not, okay, see, you have usage rights, create, okay, here, Creative Commons licenses. Okay, let's see which we get, where we get something like good like that. Okay, so let's see if we could get a good pick of quiz. No, we are not getting. Okay, so you need to have a copyright license, means for now I'm going to use it for my use, so that's why there's no such big problem. You see, I have Shutterstock over here, so let's go to the site. Okay, going to the site, you need to get for the image, you need the image, right? Okay, so let's see if, okay, it's gonna take time because we are also recording. I'm so recording here, so let's see what we can get. Okay, and I think that this is good. Is it a GIF or an image? Okay, just go, let's go back. Let's click here and let's save it down. Here you have sorry for this. Let's save the image as something. We need to save it in order to get the thing. Okay, so actually this is not allowed. See here, it's a money costing thing. So let's go to here. Let's write kids comment, anything you can write. Okay, so now let's save the image. Let's save it on this desktop. Okay, I'm gonna save it in my own thing, on folder. So this is gonna go to snake game, then you need to go to all projects. I have my quiz here, and let's write a name, title dot png. Okay, see all files and save it. See, it's saved now. I think, yeah, it's saved, and now I could close this window. Coming back, you have to write image tk bracket. You need to add the path of this file, right? Title.png. You need to add the path here. So let's go to our folder. Here we have this title.png. Let's copy the path here. Slash type. Okay, it's now got. Let's copy this and come back. And no worries, if you can also keep it somewhat like this, only title.png if it's located in the root directory. Okay, then you have to write image.config. I think, let's see what I have written. I have made somewhat for you. See, I have image equal to image img.resize. Okay, let's keep it about 200. Okay, we have to add one more parenthesis. Let's keep it about 200 pixels into 200 pixels, and you need to add one more thing, that's this thing. Okay, so here actually we have made a mistake. We don't have to write somewhat like this. Write image.open, and now you have to write image equals image tk, and then you have photo image dot photo image, then you have to enter the name image. I think img. Yeah, I have img here, that's ima. Okay, so now let's go to our labels that we had on the first place. See, here we have all our labels. These are the things we are using here. Okay, so now what you have to do is create a new label. You have to keep it in the root, then you have to keep text equaling img image, right? Then you can't add all this font and background and all such things, because this would make the thing ugly. So let's just directly erase this comma 2, and let's write grid with, here row is 1, right? See, this row is 1. Okay, so here we need to write row equaling to 3. Okay, let's keep 2 only. Then you have to change this rows, okay, comma column equaling to 2, because we want it in the line of the titles itself. You can keep sticky equaling to north. This thing would keep it at the center of the screen. And let's add pad y equaling 5. Let's keep it 5 only. Okay, here you have row equaling to 2, then we have kept 3, and let's change it to 4, and this thing changes to 5. Let's save this. Okay, actually we have kept in column 3 this thing, so 4 is also right. Okay, so let's run this. If we don't have anything problematic here. Okay, yeah, okay, it's showing somewhat like this py image 1. Yep, see what we have done the mistake. I think that the label must be incorrect. Our label must be incorrect actually. Okay, let's go down, down, down. Oh yeah, no, not here. See, it's image actually. The attribute provided is not text, it was actually image, I think. Let's see what's actually there. It's whole image word image, and we have to save and run this again. I just made a mistake, so no worries, it happens sometimes. See, yeah, we have comment over, but it's just what you can say, it's getting somewhat like getting a bit out of its shape, right? So let's go up, and I think that we can remove this thing if possible. Let's see if what happens. Think this thing works, then I would be happy. Yeah, now it's looking good, right? See, now it's looking good to see even. Okay, so this we have completed our image part. Then what another thing you can do is, when going for this whole thing, you can keep this in a class question1. Okay, question1, and you can enclose all this correct answers here, means all this defs and all these things here. But I'm not gonna do for that thing, because then you have to call it for another things, like see here itself. Let's first let me show you what actually the thing happens. Okay, so let's bring this under the class itself. So it says now come inside. Now see what happens is, then let's enter a space. Let me show you what happens. See, you have question1 class dot correct answer. You have to make all such things here. Again you have to do all such things. So I won't recommend this, but if you want to make your code look neat, tidy, then you can do this, because even if you are not doing that, it's okay, it's not a big problem. But still, if you want to make your code look cleaner, then you can do this. You can have an experiment on this thing. Okay, just got a thought about it, but still. But the main thing for today's tutorial was this entering for the image, because this image makes our code look better. Then you can add more images. See, you have 3 columns. You can make it, extend it to 4, 5, 6, 7, anything you want, any number you want. Actually, see here, you have column equal to 2. See, right? You have column equal to 2. Then you can, what you can do is make it to 3. Add 3 questions per line, means 3 buttons per line. Okay, and other thing what you can do is the better one. Where was I actually? Yeah. Okay, so this was the main thing for today. So thank you for seeing the update, and you obviously all the things need to update by time, or they will not work properly, right? So this way we come to an end of this update session, and thank you and goodbye till some next other code like that. Okay, so thank you and bye.